Well, it's a very hazy day. I mean, it looks like it was real hot, but it wasn't real hot. And but it kind of looks cool with the sun right there.
Same sense. You can't chew real hard stuff.
Poor Hannah, she has no teeth from here to here.
There's your chair, baby.
Okay.
But here we are, we're kicking back. We had a nice ride yesterday.
We did.
And we looked up. What did we see, Marsh?
Give me a hint. What was it?
On a ride yesterday. The animals and all.
Oh, the donkeys?
Yeah. You were petting them too.
Oh, they were
But
sweet.
you didn't pet no buffalo, did you? You want to keep your underwear on, right?
They take
You
your
seen the
underwear
video?
off?
Yeah, you seen the video of that? Yeah.
What's the matter? What are you guys doing?
But the temperature is right for a change. Now I found out all that is smoke from northwest somewhere, Oregon, where they're having a fire. Man, check out these clouds. Ain't that nice? And the one thing I'm liking right now, I mean, we've had 107. The girl at Walmart said 108 degree temperatures. Right now, even though some of us are in shorts, it's starting to cool off pretty good. I mean, a little campfire wouldn't be a bad idea in another hour or so. Non-riding day today. Tomorrow will be Devil's Tower. Right now we're just walking around the RV park.
This really aggravates me.
What aggravates you?
Because I don't know if I'm taking a picture of
No,
them.
you're taking a picture of yourself. So smile.
I've done that.
Okay,
Mark.
now you're doing it. Starting to see
No,
more
look
and more
back.
bikes. Hey. Okay.
What are you handing?
I didn't see this. Look at this thing. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I
But
like
you
that.
know what? I don't see now, is that just is that a golf cart? We got a little doggy park.
And what?
That's a big boy. What's this one? This trailer.
That looks like an old car.
And I don't think it's a few. Alaska.
Good Lord.
That's a long way.
Somebody's cooking something good.
Yep. Daytona's on there. Well, this is probably one of our last days of ride. We'll be loading the bikes tomorrow and heading to Yellowstone. So, Sturgis hasn't started yet. A buddy of mine ended up telling me where to go to eat at downtown Sturgis. Sure sounded very inviting, and maybe we'll see how crowded it's getting. Today is Monday the 2nd. Yep, that's where we first stayed at when we came here. Well, here we are at Sturgis. We're parked a road on the other side of the next road over, ain't we, Ed? Trying to find a parking spot. Boy, this place will get crowded, and even though we weren't on Main Street, we were the road over, you could see a lot of bikes, and man, the vendors are all over the place. I thought it would be just Main Street, but that's not the way it is. Hey there, yeah.
A little bit bigger and taller.
Probably. Please seat yourselves. Place.
There is a big place.
Is there tables in here?
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get one. We're gonna find out. We met up with some more of our buddies, and here, this is pretty cool. There's your menu, man. Huh.
we rode the bike, we couldn't find a place to park here, around here. And then we got over there, and I'm like, oh my God.
Who would have got another Ultra?
Nice spill the Ultra.
One of them is labeled Miller.
That's mine.
I had a Miller too.
No, you're the one labeled
Mine's a
Miller.
Miller right there. This one's an Ultra.
Up, this is your. I didn't drink from it yet.
Oh yeah, whatever. Okay, so this is definitely an Ultra before I drink it.
It looks pretty. Looks heavy to me, man. That's a heavy beer. Thank you.
And then here are all the waters.
Cheers. All right, Happy Meals. See the ceilings? Just
I saw that truck. I said, I want that.
well, this is the last day that we're riding our bikes at Spearfish, and this is downtown Sturgis. The rally hasn't started yet. We just wanted to see how much it picked up.
Locked up.
Yeah, you good. Well, here we're at Sturgis, and they got parking spots all over the place. Couldn't find any a little while ago. Does look a little busier than it did last time we were here. Okay, baby. Sun setting, looking pretty nice.
Add that value as accessory.
Eagle?
Eagle, yeah.
Yeah, that does look cool. You want to go in there? Sprocket and Clutchy. These guys are ready for their trip. We're ready loading up. Just have a few more things to do. The bikes are loaded. It's nice and cool this morning. Feels good. And we're getting everything squared away right now to get this show on the go. Well, here we are again, right, Marsh?
Yep.
We're
Going
on
down the road.
And where are we going today?
Yellowstone.
Stone Yellow.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you one thing, all
Look,
you could
That looks
say
like the Devil's Tower over there.
is
The baby
big
one.
country. Big country.
There's another
Man, this is some big country. Miles and miles and miles and miles and miles.
abrupt edge.
Well, here we are at Grizzly RV Park in West Yellowstone. We love the temperature a lot more. Nights get pretty cool. Really a nice looking park. Hopefully I get some more video what it looks like. Ed and Karen's RV there. Our truck RV needs a washing. And unfortunately, when I ended up unloading the bikes, where I strapped to a floorboard support, I broke it. And so I got Marcia's floorboard up like this, and that's where the piece goes. But we have blocks on here to bring them out some. So I found a guy about a mile from here that does welding, and this all looks is aluminum. So I'm hoping with that block extension and the broken piece, he can weld it all together. It'll be stronger than what it was before. But we're gonna be doing some riding here. I got to get in there and get some maps done, and it makes me worry about me strapping my bike down here because these pieces look small, but we'll see. And oh man, we hit some rough bumps. But another beautiful day. Temperatures are right. All right, I'm gonna have to get going here. Now this is the piece right here that broke off, and I didn't realize there was so little meat on that booger. But what we're gonna do is have him weld that, and at the same time I'm gonna have him weld this all together as one piece, and it should be stronger than the factory. She's doing a lot better. We're babying her. Man, is she making a mess with that bone, Marsh. And Mr. Sprockets, he's back here. Marcia's vacuuming. Hey, you hiding from the vacuum cleaner? Mr. Sprockets. We will be having some more rides pretty soon. Well, Clutch is definitely doing better. I still carry her. She is on medication, so I don't want her stressing. But we're here at Yellowstone Grizzly RV Park. And this is the place to take your dogs. But I'm keeping a close eye for bears. I mean, if they got them on the garbage cans, bear-proof and Michael-proof things, you know there's got to be some critters out here. Because you can, well, I told you with Marcia's bike, we had to get it fixed. And we searched around and we found vents with U.S. steel.
Iron.
U.S. iron. You guys know that's Mike how I do it. U.S. iron. And here's our piece. It's all done. And that's going to be stronger than the original piece. And on the website, sorry to have your phone number and everything, is it?
406-640-0378.
So if you're in West Yellowstone, you need a welding job from your vehicle, your trailer, whatever it is, these fifth wheels and trailers with hangers and all, here's your man to see. You about ready to go, Marcia?
I am, thank you, that's.
Oh, we got your piece fixed, Marsh.
Yep.
We'll put it on the bike, you'll be good to go. We're right here in West Yellowstone, but once we get this done with her bike, that will be one thing out of the way. And now it's time to get back and keep doctoring up clutch. This is where we came in.
Oh, look at that, that's cute.
Oh, that's a whole unit, ain't it?
Yeah. Okay, we turn that way, right?
No, we go straight. You'll see our unit in just a second.
There's the bear.
Hey, you hear that guy say that the bears do come out here?
Yeah.
I mean, I gotta watch Clutchy. I don't want to get in trouble for her eating some bear up, you know?
Oh, yeah, right.
All right, here we're back at our unit,
That's our
and
baby.
I'll try to get some video out soon. Because we didn't have the bike with us, I had to do a little bit of fabricating. I didn't have to take much off the weld at all, but I had to take a little bit so it fit back in, and we're all set now. Don't that little crack fool you. It's welded all around. Let's put this thing together. Yeah, that's where we're going. Here's the first time me and Marcia are getting on the bike. We're not going very far. We fixed her bike and we got our satellite dish up, and we just got on the bike and it's raining. They ain't gonna stop us. That's no good. We decided to make this walk. We're gonna need some energy, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That we have learned, when you're getting ready to do a lot of walking, which is going to use a lot of energy, you need to go ahead and sit down and eat your fudge while sitting down and conserve all energy so you will have it later. So here we go. Sorry you can't watch this. Yeah. Well, here's our supermarket we're going to check out.
We don't get one over for.
Yeah.
Let's see what they got.
Yeah.
This right here.
Yeah. But you know what? These boxes of wine, really, they still ain't that bad. I mean, here we got, damn, they got no Merlot. Diet Pepsi becomes real Diet Pepsi. Huh. Canadian Mist. I'm gonna have to get sober. A shirt from here? From West Yellowstone or from Yellowstone?
Yellowstone.
And then the sun came out, and it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, buy one, get one free. Don't pet the fluffy cow.
You see it?
It
says Yellowstone National Park. Stay wild.
Stay wild.
Here?
Yep. See the sign says supermarket.
Okay.
I've looked around and I have not found a buffet yet. Looking grim. Well, this kind of brings us into Yellowstone, and our next video, which we've already made the trip, Mesa Falls, and today we did Yellowstone. All these videos are coming up.